Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Tesla Model 3 software. First, ensure your vehicle is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network for a smooth download. Next, check your car's display for any pending software updates in the software section. It's crucial to have a battery charge above 20% before beginning. This ensures the update completes without interruption, keeping your Tesla running optimally and safely. Before you begin, make sure your Tesla Model 3 is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi signal. This is essential for downloading the update files efficiently. Also, verify that your car's battery level is at least 20% charged to prevent any power interruptions during installation. Finally, park your vehicle in a secure spot, as you won't be able to drive it while the update is in progress. Once your Tesla is prepared, go to the software menu on your touchscreen. If an update is available, you'll see an option to install it. Tap to begin the installation process. Your car will then download and install the new software. During this time, the vehicle will be unavailable for use, so plan accordingly. The update typically takes about 25 to 45 minutes to complete. After the update finishes, your Tesla will restart, and you can then review the release notes to see all the exciting new features and improvements. Take some time to explore these new functionalities in your Model 3. It's always great to experience the latest enhancements. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your updated Tesla.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.